Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable troubleshooting Grizzl-E charger with Wi-Fi reset. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable troubleshooting on your Grizzl-E charger, start by locating the charging unit. Plug in the Grizzl-E charger to ensure it has power. Next, find the Wi-Fi reset button, usually located on the side of the unit. Press and hold the Wi-Fi reset button for about 5 seconds. You will see the indicator light on the charger blink, signaling the reset process. Release the button once the light starts blinking. Open your smartphone or tablet and go to the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the Grizzl-E network in the available connections. Select the Grizzl-E network and connect to it. Once connected, open a web browser on your device. Type in the default IP address for the charger into the address bar. This address is typically found in the user manual. Press Enter to access the charger's web interface. From here, log in using the default credentials, which are also found in the manual. Once logged in, navigate to the troubleshooting section. You can now access various options to diagnose issues. Make any necessary adjustments based on the troubleshooting options provided. After completing your adjustments, make sure to log out for security. Finally, disconnect from the Grizzl-E network and reconnect to your home Wi-Fi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.